Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I thought I would give you guys my little Sephora VIB sale. So I have this box and yeah, I figured why not just get started. So I spent a little too much money, but that's okay because it's all things that I was needing anyway, like restock on and everything. So let's just get on in, I guess. If you have not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button below. I believe it's on this side, and right beside it is the notification bell. Don't forget to hit that so then you get notified for whenever I upload a video. I upload every Tuesday, and feel free to follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram somewhere on the screen and probably in the description box as well, and I'll try and link all of the products that I bought in the description box as well, just in case you guys are curious. So yeah, let's get on in. Alright, so the first thing that I grabbed is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Fresh Style Highlighter Duo. So that's what this looks like. And let's open this bad boy up. So that's what the packaging looks like. Ooh, very pretty. So that's the actual product right there. So I got mine in the shades Mean Honey and Hustler Baby. So Mean Honey is this one and Hustle Baby is this one. So let's do a swatch. Ooh, they're very creamy. Wow. Oh, that's pretty. That's like a really nice subtle highlight. Ooh, I really like those. So pretty. Wow. Alright. That is a win so far. Just so you guys know, the Fenty Beauty retails for $44 Canadian. Let's pick up something else. So this is the Kapari Coconut Oil Deodorant in the scent Gardenia. So it just looks like that. And this is paraben-free, aluminum-free, and vegan. So yeah, I figured I wanted to try going into more like, not like fully natural, because I don't think this brand is fully natural, but like more kind of natural deodorant than everything else. So I got that deodorant. They also have like their original, which is coconut. This retails for about $18 Canadian, just so you guys know. I also picked one up for my mom. She just got the original like scent. So yeah, we'll have to try that out and see how it works. Oh, I think this was one of my samples I picked up actually. So this is the Tory Burch Eau de Parfum. Oh, this is cute. Look at that. I wonder what it smells like. Do I twist? Do I? Oh. Well, it smells good, but I'll have to remember that it's not an actual spray or anything. It's an actual little dropper. Just got that everywhere, to be honest, but that's okay. So yeah, I think I picked that up for like 100 points or something. I don't know. Let's see. This is the Kush Clear Brow Gel by the brand Milk Makeup. Like, I don't know which is the front, but that's that. Just looks like this. And this retails for $22 Canadian. So super excited to try that. I might put some on my brows after actually. Let's go with this one. Ooh, breaking everything I feel. Alright, so this is the Josie Maran Argan Cleansing Oil. It's quite tall. And I actually picked up a sample of this one. before purchasing the actual like big thing, and this removes your makeup so freaking well. Oh my god. Like, I thought my makeup wipes removed everything. No. This leaves your skin spotless. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And this big thing retails for $44 Canadian. I'm so excited to like wash my face off with that later. Alrighty, so this is another Kapari product. I got a few of them actually. So this is their coconut toothpaste, which has, it doesn't have like the fluoride in it. So again, I kind of wanted to go into like the more like naturaler things. So that's just what the packaging looks like. This is really pretty. And this actually retails for about $16 Canadian. Oh, I got a little mask trial of the Milk Cooling Water Sleep in a Stick Depuff and Hydrate under eye. Oh, it's an under eye mask, is it? Huh, how cool. But yeah, I just got like a little sample because why not? And then it looks like this is just, yeah, this is just samples of the Fenty Beauty concealer, I believe. Yeah. Next product. So this is the Fenty Beauty Instant Warmth Bronzer there. And this one retails for $38. And I got mine in the shade In the Sun, which is kind of cute actually. Ooh, I love this freaking packaging. Like, look, you can see everything. Like, look, there's my camera. I really hope that this isn't like too light for my skin. It should work perfectly fine, but yeah, that's the color. Let's do a little swatch. That might be a little light. We'll have to play around with it and see if I can maybe build it up a little bit more. But yeah, we'll have to double check. And I don't know if I mentioned, but that retails for $38 Canadian. Oh, and I picked up two of these because these are currently my favorite, or one of them is my current favorite liquid liner. So this is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. It's a waterproof liquid liner, and these retail for $25 each. So I needed a restock of my black because I noticed that I might be running a bit low on it. So since the sale was on, I figured why not just pick one up because I needed it anyway. And then I've been wanting to try doing like a brown wing liner, so I picked up her brown shade as well. So I'm hoping I really like those. The black is what I'm wearing on my eyes right now for my wing liner, just so you guys know. Another Kapari. This is the Coconut Oil Lip Glossy by Kapari. Just looks like that. Oh, isn't it so cute? That's adorable. This little guy retails for $17 Canadian. And then I also picked up the Jouer High Coverage Liquid Concealer. I've been wanting to test this out. I'm pretty sure it's Kathleen Lights that loves this. So figured I'd try it. I'm hoping I got the right shade. It looked like it would match quite nice, but love the packaging. Packaging is like love. That guy retails for $28 Canadian. Just got another little sample. This is the Believe in Truth, the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. Another sample. I got the Hydrating Lip Gloss Stick by Marc Jacobs, and I believe it's in Sugar Sugar. Yeah, this is in the shade Sugar Sugar. I was in between two shades. I wasn't sure if I wanted like this light one or there was like a darker one that was like mocha something. Anyway, this retails for $35. I always forget this is the lid. I always assume this. That's pretty. Ooh, so pretty. And one thing to notice is that when you like bring it up, you can't bring this back down, just so you know, so be warned. Or be aware, you are now warned. Oh, I also got the Pretty Vulgar little trial mascara. I've heard a few things about this brand. I haven't heard a lot, but I'm interested to see how it is. And then, last but not least, I got the Jouer Blush Bouquet in the shades Flirt. So this, let's see how much. For the two blushes, it comes to, it retails for $38 Canadian. Isn't this packaging just like to die for? Like, just look. Oh my god. So pretty. And then these are the two blushes. So this one here is called Kiss Me, and then this one's called Touch Me. This one's more of like a shimmery kind, and then this one here is just like a matte. Do you guys remember I used to play Just Dance I think it was it Just Dance? I don't know. But they had a song and it was like, touch me and then just kiss me until I get my satisfaction.
Push me and then just touch me till I can get my satisfaction.
Anyway, it was really funny. I used to dance to that song because it was like my favorite. Where do I swatch this? That's a pretty pink. I like how pale it is actually. Ooh, that's pretty. That's pretty, real pretty. Wow. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to try all of this out. So yeah, this is the completed little makeup Sephora VIB sale. Stay tuned for my next videos because I'll probably be trying some of these products out in my next video. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.